Looking for the best cordless impact wrench? We've tested top models for power, speed, and control to help you find the right one. Whether you need high torque or a compact design, here are the best cordless impact wrenches for any job. At $329 for the full kit, the DEWALT 20-volt max impact wrench delivers serious torque without breaking the bank. With 600 foot-pounds of max fastening torque and 800 foot-pounds of breakaway power, it makes quick work of stubborn bolts. 4 speed settings, a variable speed trigger, and precision wrench mode help prevent over-tightening and fastener runoff, giving you complete control. A built-in LED work light keeps things visible in dark spaces, while the compact, lightweight design makes it easy to handle. While it's not the most compact mid-torque impact wrench out there, its performance more than makes up for the size. Whether you're tackling automotive repairs, heavy-duty construction, or just need a reliable impact wrench for home projects, this kit has you covered. With 2 batteries and a charger included, it's ready to go right out of the box. Makita's 40-volt Max XG T 1/2-inch impact wrench brings pro-level power in a compact frame, making it a strong option for serious users. It packs a brushless motor with 560 foot-pounds of fastening torque and 810 foot-pounds of nut-busting power, rivaling top-tier models. You get a 4-speed power selection switch for precise control, plus 3 forward and 3 reverse auto-stop modes to prevent over-tightening. Unlike bulkier options, it measures just 6 to 11/16 inches, making it easier to maneuver in tight spots. What really sets it apart, though, is the ultra-smooth variable speed trigger and full speed mode, which minimize effort while maximizing performance. Even though it's priced at $609 for the full kit, its combination of power, control, and durability makes it a smart buy for pros who need a mid-torque impact wrench that doesn't compromise. Flex's 1/2-inch mid-torque impact wrench isn't the most powerful in its class, but it still delivers serious performance where it counts. With 600 foot-pounds of fastening torque and 750 foot-pounds of nut-busting power, it tackles most mid-range fastening jobs with ease. Keep in mind, though, that the highest power output comes at the top speed setting, and that's going to generate more vibration. FLEX made some interesting design choices here. On one hand, the stacked lithium battery delivers outstanding runtime and fast charging, plus the vibration suppression makes it easier on your hands during extended use. On the other, the tool's bolt auto-stop and bolt removal modes work well, but take some getting used to. The variable speed trigger is a nice touch for added control. At $299 for the kit with a 3.5 amp-hour battery and 160-watt fast charger, it's a solid option for those looking for a high-tech mid-torque impact wrench. To get the best balance of power and control, you need strong torque, smooth operation, and smart speed adjustment. Low vibration also helps keep fatigue down during extended use. No other mid-torque impact wrench in this price range does that as well as SKIL. Of all the models we tested, SKIL's PWR Core 20 had one of the best combinations of power and precision. With 800 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque and 480 foot-pounds of fastening torque, it can handle tough jobs without overdoing it. There are a couple of quirks you'll either love or hate, though. First, the reverse control mode stops the tool automatically once a bolt is loosened. If you're used to manually backing off fasteners, it takes a little adjustment. The built-in halo light also replaces a traditional LED, flooding the work area with more illumination. Grab it as a full kit for $153, including a 4.0 amp-hour battery and DEWALT Atomic 20-volt Arger. The DEWALT Atomic Impact Wrench is a solid choice if you need a compact tool that still delivers serious torque. It's not the most powerful impact wrench out there, but its 300 foot-pounds of fastening torque and 450 foot-pounds of breakaway torque are more than enough for most jobs. The shorter overall length makes it easy to maneuver in tight spots, and we liked how well-balanced it felt in hand. The controls are placed well, so you don't have to shift your grip to change speeds or engage precision wrench mode. The hog ring anvil makes socket changes fast and secure, and the onboard LED with adjustable brightness is a nice touch for low-light work. There are a couple of trade-offs, but overall it's one of the best compact impact wrenches we've used. Get it for $115 as a bare tool.